Hi everybody, and welcome to the Richmar University How-To Series, a clinical application series designed to help improve patient outcomes as well as care delivery. My name is Dan Duffy. I'm Regional Director for Richmar, a leading manufacturer of modalities for over 60 years. This video will help you set up and navigate your device and how to use your TheraTouch EX4 stim unit as well as your CX4 combo unit. Help you also understand how to use evidence-based clinical guidance protocols to help improve your care delivery and treatments. Additional information and resources can also be found on the Richmar University website, such as CEU course opportunities, both live and online, live video in-service opportunities, as well as equipment trial opportunities and academic support. For more information, please contact your dealer representative in your local area or Richmar directly. Thank you.